In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Bizarre Lineage in a party with your friends. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're trying to team up with friends for raids, quests, or specific stand roles without having random players interfering, the only way to do that right now is by actually using a private server. Just keep in mind, PvP cannot be turned off, so you could still accidentally hit each other. So just be careful during fights and testing abilities. But what you're going to want to do is actually back out of the game or go to the Roblox.com website, which I'm going to open up in a web browser right now. I'm using Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like. Once you're on this page, go ahead and search specifically for Bizarre Lineage, which is actually right here for me. And once you're on the homepage for Bizarre Lineage, go ahead and select servers, and you're going to see the option to get a private server right here for 98 Robux. I'm not going to lie, this is 100% worth it. However, keep in mind this is going to be a monthly price. You're going to pay this every single month. So if you ever get tired of it, go ahead and make sure that you do turn it off. Once you go ahead and create your private server, you can get a private server link, and then of course your friends can hit add and paste that private server link in here. And now you guys can all load it into the same server together and grind arrows, mobs, bosses, and quests without the chaos of public servers. Just keep in mind, if your private server does fill up, you can always create or switch to another one. And again, just watch out for accidental hurts during stand tests, since PvP is always going to stay enabled. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.